Khatija is lucky enough that she has access to drinking water at her doorstep. Though quality of water is questionable, at least she can get water whenever she wants. Unlike Khatija, everyone is not so fortunate in this region as they face acute water shortage. These girls are the residents of a small village in deltaic region of River Indus in southern Pakistan. They have to go out, search for new water sources every day and fetch water for their families. They have seen their mothers, sisters and other women doing so. It's what these girls have grown up with. It's what they will die doing.
इते पानी कोने पानी हुजे मठो त थी वञे त में त पानी ॿारहं खारो पियो आहे ॿारहं खारो त हेठि वेठासीं तब त खारो उते होले में चाले वेंदासीं पाणी जंहिंजा तेल जुदा थींदा वरी पाणी जुदा पैसा थींदा
पाणी असां वटि अचे ई कोन थो पैसनि ते पाणी लारंदा आहियूं पाणी आहे कोन.
This is the region where Indus meets the Arabian Sea. Upstream diversion of River Indus water due to construction of dams and barrages on Indus has reduced the river flows drastically. Most of the creeks where Indus flowed in the past are now filled with seawater. After a long journey, water is transported to these remote islands. In the deltaic islands, which are scattered along estuary of River Indus near Arabian Sea, water is precious. After 2 hours of traveling on boat from the town of Keti Bandar, the last human settlement on River Indus, this is Tippan Island. Surrounded by water, even the ground on this island gets submerged due to high tide twice a day. There is no freshwater source and the communities have to import water. 3 times a week, boat carrying water arrives here. Awadablo is buying water for next 3 days. 48 liters for 150 Pakistani rupees, half of her daily income.
पानी जी असांखे वॾी तकलीफ़ आहे हाणे शेर होलीअ में पाणी आयो आहे न पपुला पाणी बि अहिड़ो जहिड़ो सखूं साओ पितो सखूं तंहिंमें जीव तंहिंमें सावक तंहिंमें सभु बीमारियूं पैदा थियूं पाणीअ जे न करे जो हुजे त सभु गर निकिरे खुर निकिरे फूकणा थियनि सुबुह माल खे पाच लिङे में पए माल खे 5-6 ॾींहं थी वञनि ऐं पोइ खारे पाणी में उॿरी वरी अचनि मिठो मथां थोरो पाणी कढी मठ विछ ॾीनि बसि.
Hundreds of the villages and fishermen hamlets in the deltaic region of River Indus, like this one, are suffering with acute shortage of drinking water. But the residents are unable to leave their homes and move towards the cities because they are poor. As a result of climate change, seawater has started flowing upstream, due to which available water sources have been destroyed and fertile lands have turned barren. In such a situation, agriculture is not possible, whereas livestock has disappeared, the major source of livelihood and nutrition.
ग्राउंड वाटर जो है वो इंट्रूजन की वजह से ग्राउंड वाटर भी सलाइन हो रहा है तो पीने के लिए लोगों को पानी नहीं है जिसकी वजह से माइग्रेशन बढ़ रही है वहाँ से. खारोछाड़ और केटी बंदर के अंदर छोटी और बड़ी तकरीबन 60 के करीब सेटलमेंट्स थी जो अब तकरीबन कोई 28 के करीब वहाँ से माइग्रेट करके गए हैं बड़े शहरों में या मुख्तलिफ जगहों में माइग्रेट कर गई हैं और 32 सेटलमेंट्स हैं जिनके साथ जो भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स में घिरी हुई हैं.
In the past, due to gusty waters from River Indus, agriculture and abundant fish catch, this was prosperous area, but now it all seems folklore.
खोले आता कजाता आहा का बनड़े वरी गोल आए बोले बदी बदी तो मुँह
Amar Guriro for the third pole, Keti Bandar, Pakistan.
मेहमान और खट्टी वरो का अन बनड़े वरी गोल.